Folks, I want to share with you my most recent implementation or setup for my Muscadine Trellis. I've actually got 6 to 7 inch posts that I purchased from Tractor Supply. It's treated. On top of it, I put some pieces of aluminum so that it would shed water and water wouldn't enter the end of the post. It has been my experience through the years that even though the remainder of the post, treated post, appears to be fine, that due to the water entering the top, that it kind of decays a little bit. Anyway, I'm using a 9-gauge wire on this. That's high tensile, galvanized, and I acquired it 171 feet roll from Tractor Supply. Also, I purchased the wire tensioners from Tractor Supply. Hopefully you can see the part number on it. Hopefully it focused. And also the earth auger, which is buried in the ground and also has a 50-pound sack of cement at the base of it for additional holding power. I've attempted on my post to lean them at about 60 degrees. That's a kind of an estimate. I'm not really sure if it's exact. And then you'll see how the tension wire or the anchor wire actually runs at an angle also. And on my irrigation wire, it's 12.5 gauge galvanized high tensile, with the upper wire at 5 foot being 9 gauge high tensile galvanized wire. Once again, you'll see the strainer. The text on it's upside down, but hopefully you can get the barcode, and that'll let you know what you need to acquire at Tractor Supply or from other vendors. I'm spacing my post 20 feet apart, and halfway between the two 20-foot posts I'm planting my grapevine. Typically I install them with vine shelters, but I've yet got to order the vine shelters. You can actually see off in the distance, you can see a plant with a vine shelter on it. And the top of each of my line posts, I've also placed a piece of aluminum to act as a shield for the top of the post, and I've driven my staple in and I lay the wire on top of a piece of old rubber hose to act somewhat as a gasket or a buffer between the metal to metal, prevents that, and also it acts somewhat of a seal to not allow water to run past the staple down into the top of the post. The other thing that we've done is actually on our labels, we've actually bought some stock from our local store, and we've used them for the labels for our muscadines. Hope this has been informative. Hope you enjoy it. One other thing I do want to show you before I go. On some of the older vines, what I've built is a cage to prevent rodents from chewing on the base of the muscadines. What it is I actually bought some 1-inch by 1-inch galvanized hardware cloth and rolled it into a basket that will prevent rodents from chewing at the base of the plants. Once again, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it's been informative. Thank you.